Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to export chat history on Microsoft Teams. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Microsoft, click on the Create One option. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, in many industries, there are requirements to maintain records of communications for a certain period. Now, exporting chat history in Microsoft Teams can be useful for that because it ensures compliance with these regulations. Because keeping a record of conversations for essential, like auditing, you can provide a clear trail of communications related to projects, decisions, or transactions. Exported chat histories can serve as a documentation of discussions, decisions, and of course progress, which can be referred to future projects, right? Now, the thing is, you can do this in a very quick and easy way. I need you to hover to this specific link. Now, I need you to go to the Microsoft account privacy settings. And from here, all you have to do is just sign in if you haven't done so, because it is a different link and you will be required to enter your information, all right? So just follow everything on it, okay? And then click on sign in. Just wait for it a little bit to load. Now, once you are here, I need you to hover to the privacy, because you would be able to get, you need to go to the find privacy settings in Microsoft products, which is going to be the Microsoft Teams, right? Click on that. Just wait for it a little bit. And from here, you can export all this information, right? You can request a copy of your Teams data, export a copy of your chat history, media files, contacts, and shared tasks below. This includes data that was shared while using your personal Microsoft account on Teams. And once your file is available, you'll find it on this page. And of course, click on chat history. And then from here, click on the submit request. Right? Now, your export is being prepared, so please check back soon to download. It'll take some time for you to be able to do that. And once if it's ready, you'd be able to be notified through a message or in the email that is associated with your Microsoft Teams, which is normally your Outlook email, right? And from here, you would be able to export all of the information that you needed regarding about the chat history on Microsoft Teams. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.